Nation, thank you so much for jumping on to another episode of All Steelers Talk. I'm Noah Strackfine, joined always by my man in the corner, producer Nick Belsky. Find us at youtube.com/All Steelers Talk or subscribe anywhere you get your podcast. It is a Victory Monday, and congratulations. Happy holidays to all who celebrate, my friend. The Pittsburgh Steelers get revenge on the Cleveland Browns, 27-14, a game that, well, Nick, I'll let you take victory lap here in a minute. A game also filled with plenty of trash talk, hilarious moments by those in orange and brown who thought, well, talking trash during the game when you're down 20 points was still the move. We'll address that in a little bit. The Pittsburgh Steelers got hit with an injury bug late, and it turned out to be their biggest test of the 2024 season. And a question that loomed over them all year long, and really dating back to the Deontay Johnson, Dante Jackson trade.
Coming soon on video and DVD.
Jump into Russell Wilson, Mike Williams, and everybody else's performance without the George Pickens. What to expect on his recovery.
Welcome to the book
of the
of
game
Pooh.
And moving forward, the Pittsburgh Steelers on the
As you can
verge of
see,
playoffs.
there are many places to go and many things to do. For example, do you see Pooh's honey pot? I know Pooh would recognize it right away.
In 2 weeks, well, less than 2 weeks, to claim the AFC North title as well. It's a big 11 days for the Pittsburgh Steelers. We're going to dive into all of it, plus more. Nick, happy Victory Monday. I'm going to let you take your victory lap, because for those of you who were not here on Friday, well, our friend Nick Belsky came 1 point away from guessing the score, and had a lot more to do with it. I think a lot better predictions than maybe anybody else on the market. Nick, how you feeling, my friend?
I will say, yesterday after that second Cleveland Browns touchdown, when it was 27-13, I was sweating out that extra point like it was a 10-leg parlay. Like I was sitting there saying, come on, I just want to be right with these score predictions once. I'll take 27-13 prediction with a 27-14 result. It's close enough, and I will also say, there were a couple Browns fans in the chat on Friday when I was making that prediction saying, come on, Jameis is only going to be held to 13 points. Jameis is only going to have 1 touchdown. Well, he didn't have just 1 touchdown. He had 2, but one of them was in garbage time. And as you said before the show, there was a little bit of push off there from David and Joe. So you know what? I will take a victory lap on this one, especially if
5 wonderful surprises await you here on the Bouns Features page. My, this is going to be fun.
I agree.
Here's a little.
Deserved, my friend. The victory lap
Here's
is
a
well
little.
deserved. That second touchdown, questionable. And Deshaun Elliott had plenty to say after the game about it, which will lead us into our final topic. But our first topic is the Pittsburgh Steelers 27, Cleveland Browns 14. A revenge game that we all saw coming. A revenge game that, if you went back to Monday, Tuesday, even probably before that, all you could talk about is the Pittsburgh Steelers having to listen to all the smack talk that the Cleveland Browns had to offer. And I thought it was hilarious when Kadarius Toney gets flagged for taunting in a game that you're down 20. That is classic Kadarius Toney, only to come back later and fumble the ball and the game away late in the final minutes of this one. But it was all headlined, highlighted by one giant piece of news that came out about 90 minutes before kickoff. It was a complete shocker to everybody, because leading up to the game, even Friday on this show, I said I do expect